The property apparently belongs to the Khanna family and the Seth family. The respondent number 1 is a private limited company incorporated under the Companies Act 1956 and is an estate developer and builder of both residential and commercial properties. The petitioner committee entered into a collaboration agreement dated 16th November 1990 by which the respondent agreed to convert the Moti Cinema compound into a commercial complex. Subsequently, the agreement was amended on 2nd May 1991 by which certain changes were introduced with regard to the scheme of payment. Inasmuch as disputes arose between the parties over the working of the agreement, the respondent filed an application under Section 11 of the 1996 Act for appointment of an arbitrator, and by an order dated 14th May 2001, the Delhi High Court appointed Justice K. Ramamurthy, a retired judge of the said court, as the sole arbitrator. After considering the materials brought on record, the learned arbitrator passed his award upon holding that the respondent had committed breach of the terms of the collaboration agreement and directed the petitioner to refund the sum of rupees 41 lakhs which had been received from the respondent within 3 months from the date of the award, and in default of payment within the said period, the amount would carry interest at the rate of 12% per annum from the date of the award till the date of payment. As will appear from the records, copies of the awards duly signed by the learned arbitrator were received by the counsel for the respective parties. As far as the respondent is concerned, the endorsement shows that the copy of the award was received by its counsel on 13th May 2004. However, no application for setting aside the award was filed by the respondent within the period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the award as provided under Section 34 within bracket 3 of the 1996 Act. On 3rd February 2005, the respondent filed a petition being OMP number 51 of 2005 under Section 34 of the 1996 Act to set aside the award of the learned arbitrator. According to the petitioner, the said petition was filed after a delay of more than 9 months from the date of the receipt of the award. The said objection of the petitioner was considered by the learned single judge of the High Court, who, by his order dated 28 August 2009, dismissed the respondent's petition on the ground that the same was time barred. The learned single judge accepted the contention of the petitioner that the expression party used in Section 31 within bracket 5 of the 1996 Act would also include the agent of the party. The matter was carried to the division bench of the High Court by the respondent on 5th October 2009 by way of FAO number 578 of 2009, accepting the case of the respondent that service of the award had not been properly effected. The division bench remanded the matter to the single judge to decide the objections on the award on merits. Upon holding that for compliance with the provisions of Section 31 within bracket 5 of the 1996 Act, a copy of the award had to be delivered to the party itself, and service on its counsel did not amount to service within the meaning of Section 31 within bracket 5 of the aforesaid Act. The special leave petition has been filed against the said judgment and order of the division bench of the Delhi High Court. Over.